So I ain't gonna waste anybody's time, especially not mine. Finally got the DME back. Yo, they literally use all the bubble and wrapping that you've included. Like, this is pretty cool. I ain't gonna lie, I like this. Quick update, I took the time to fix the downpipe, O2 sensor, and all those little things that I've been having. So everything is good now. Make sure, wow, look, I ain't even connected. Here we go. Going to do a quick little inspection. It looks like all the pins are good. Where does this bad boy go? Slide in there like butter. Like butter. Looks like everything is up and running. All right, guys, take a look at this. I figured it out. We're gonna go in settings, general settings, data privacy. And what I went ahead, you just read this real quick. Your BMW is capable of online use. Monitor the use and transfer of your data. Boom, no freaking service. I'm gonna go back. Now, you go to remote software upgrade, boom. Look at that. Let's give it a shot. Yo, my car hasn't been started in forever, and now it's finally started. I gotta check engine light. I gotta see what that's for. Probably just gotta clear the codes, but yo, she's back on. There's only one way to merge on the highway, boys. We turn the shift down. That's make sure I got traction back on. It's a rush. Let's drop it down. It pops a lot more. I'm gonna turn that little button off. I wish there was a way I can keep that sucker off. The road's a little choppy, right? Oh. Now I ran this thing stock for some time. JB4, I put 85 in the JB4. Daler. Do it over again doing this. I would have just went to this from the start. I purchased a boot mode license, $595, or if you want to run MHD, you could do that. Link it to the car, activate it using the pass key. You know, speak to Femto, make sure you're able to ship it out the way they want to ship it out, follow the instructions. It's really not even that hard. If you are really that like lost on the sauce, just go to DHL, talk to the guy, let him look at it, and that's what I did. And you know, he'll get you on your way. Cost me $309 to ship out. It got there in 4 days. Could have been Wednesday, but we had a storm. Takes them about 1 day to get everything done. They're gonna ask you to wire them the money. It's about 900 euros, and that's for the boot mode custom ROM that I got, unlock, or custom unlock, the shipping back, and the remote start retaining. I tested that out. The remote start does work. As long as you follow the instructions, like, it's not really that hard, to be 100% honest with you. Then they will send you a shipping label. You just confirm it, make sure everything is good, and they'll ship your DME back. Now, luckily, they shipped mine back on Tuesday, because if you watch my last video, ran into some complications, and I got it back. It was able to be picked up on Wednesday around 4 or 5 p.m. So that actually came from Finland to the United States in 1 freaking day. I don't know if that's ideal, maybe 2 days, but I can say you can have this whole process done in a week. If you start from Monday, it gets there on Wednesday, they ship it out Thursday, Friday, Saturday. If there's Saturday delivery, I think you should be pretty good. So 1 week was what I think you need. Best case scenario. Worst case scenario, need a little bit longer time. As you guys seen in my last video, I took a little bit longer. It probably cost me somewhere between like $1,850 or something, and that's with the boot mode as well. God, my God. Definitely burbles more. Definitely burbles more. Whoa, be careful. Oh.
Calm down.
Drift turn.
never a simple experiment. The beast. What's wrong with me? Silly me.
That shit was cool though. That shit. It got way too much power though.
Wobble baby, wobble baby, wobble baby.
You feel? Alright. Woo. Alright, chill.
I found a little lonely street to kind of drop a dig on. It's not accurate, but I just want to see how good she launches. Full traction off. We have everything in the sport modes. Everything turned up. Let me get the chassis to comfort so I could dig down and bite. You ready, guys? Let's send her. Oh crap, I feel like I had it and it broke out on me. I'm just gonna send it before it says active, when it's in the preparing mode, because I think it's just gonna rip the tires off. So I'm gonna send it when it doesn't build a lot of boost, is what I'm saying. If you're all drive or drag radials, you could probably ring it out. Yeah, it's dead. I'm trying to find a better road. Yo, truth be told, I've been out of the loop for so long, yo. So long it's not even funny. I didn't even know boot mode changed the way the whole setup looks now. However, unfortunately, you still connect to the car using the same type of setup, which I have an issue with it. I'll talk to you about in a second. These are MHD dongles, little Wi-Fi adapters that you use for the car. This one was for my E92 335, and this was for all my F and G chassis cars, the F32 435, and the G20 M340, now the G82 M4. They work all pretty much the same. I think it's like some sort of generic box, and they just put their own sticker on there. You can use boot mode, beamer code. I've used them all with this module. They have different ones like Keys Motorsports, and I think boot mode, or actually no, boot mode is coming out with their own version. So I'm curious to see how different it would be, and if it would solve the connectivity issues I have with running both the internet and connecting this at the same time. Boot mode is pretty much cloud-based, which need the internet. So I would say when you're online, download all the maps that you possibly want out of the OTS section, and then connect it to the car and do what you got to do. All right, so this is like take 3500. We back in the crib. We got this thing pumping and jumping. Right here on the right, if you see this little green cloud, that means you connect to the internet. If you see the little, if you see the thing next to it on the left, green, that means you're connected to the car. They had a whole little setup thing down here. They even walk you through some steps. I like this, kind of informative. With that being said, I'm not a fan of too many new things. I love the way boot mode used to be. It was a little bit difficult to get into the menu. Now it's pretty much easy, straightforward. Dashboard, live adjust. Diagnostics, pretty much the same setup. You can read your codes, delete your codes. Map editor, that's not even available with the mobile device. You got a choice of tuners. Will work with you in boot mode. I think HCP Halim makes the OTS map, so I'm pretty sure they pack a nice little punch. There's no transmission flash available for this car just yet, but I have XHP, so I'm not even sweating it. This thing has a ton of off-the-shelf maps like that. I'm gonna go straight down to 93 Stage 2. I got the 93 in the car now, in 91. You have Arizona, California, Nevada. That's like a crappier version of crappy 91, which is a crappy version of our 93. And you have ethanol blends, E30 and E50. Now the multi-map, you need flex fuel capabilities for that. I don't have that in the car right now. Thinking about doing it a little bit later. And that's if this E50 sauce is not too much for the car. I got a rear wheel drive model, so if this thing don't hook up with a drag radial, I'm pumping E50, what's the point of going further than an OTS map? Like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see me just throw my phone. If you guys want to see me throw E50 in here and just take it straight to the dyno, do some reaction pulls, see how much it makes, throw it on the draggy, see how much I can get off of just a simple off-the-shelf 93 E50 blend. Because let's be realistic here, it's a more affordable way to go, and people love affordable. And it's so sad because I got these fresh P0 meats. I think these are for the rear. Was this 285? Yeah, 285. and the 275s for the front. Fresh takeoffs, and with the tune, I don't know if these puppies will grip, but hey, listen, at least if I trade in the car, I have a whole new set of tires I can put in the car that match and they're fresh, so they won't haggle me too much. You know what this is? VP Racing X85. Definitely want to put that in the car and test it out. Yeah, so like I said, thumbs this video up. Thank you guys for watching. Mike from Soul Speed. Peace out.